With our images imported, we need to do a bit of organization before we can start working on our files. Since it's very important that these next few steps are done properly, I'll go a bit slower so it's easier to follow along. In the next lecture, we'll be adding keyword identifiers to create customized collections of like photos. For example, a collection of all cars broken down by car type. Similarly, a collection of landscape photos broken down by season, and so forth. This illustration is a reminder of what our collection sets and our collections will look like. In a moment, we'll start by adding keywords car and BMW to all the BMW model cars. To do this as fast as possible, click the Text tab above the gallery in your library filter. We need to filter our gallery so we only see the file names that start with BMW. The text filter allows us to filter our gallery using certain settings. You can see all the filtering options in the text menu. We can filter by file name, copy name, title, caption, keywords, among other types of data. For now, select file name because that's what we want to use. From the second menu over here, select Starts With. Type in BMW in the search field. We do this because all our BMW model photographs start with the letters BMW. And I'll just show you the My Lightroom Photos directory and you can confirm this. Keep in mind, for the purpose of this course, we have renamed all these files, so we can go ahead and work with these different filters and organization methods. So these are the BMW cars. As you can see, BMW 001, 002, and so on. You should now see 5 BMW cars filtered in your gallery.